Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete or remove a tweet when you retweet in your profile. The first step is go to the application of X, and you need to go to your profile here in the superior left corner in the bubble of your profile. Here you need to pick here again in the bubble, and you are in your profile, and this is the last retweet I do. So you need to pick here in the option of retweet, and you need to pick here in undo repost. So after you pick in undo repost, that's it. You eliminate and delete that retweet of your profile. So this is the option. Remember, the only thing you need to do is pick here and pick in undo repost. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.